Are your tomato plants developing brown spots and yellowing leaves? Your plants may be suffering from early blight, one of the most common fungal diseases affecting tomatoes. Welcome to Parna Garden. Early blight is caused by a fungus called Alternaria solani. It usually starts on lower leaves and gradually moves upward, weakening the plant and reducing fruit production. So, how do you recognize it? Look for small brown spots. The leaves around these spots turn yellow, then brown, then dry up and fall off. You may also notice dark lesions on stems. What causes these early blight? The fungus survives in infected plant debris and soil. Warm temperatures, frequent rain, high humidity, and overhead watering create the perfect conditions for the disease to spread. In order to prevent early blight, space your tomato plants properly to improve air circulation, water at the base instead of overhead, mulch around the plants to improve soil splash, rotate crops every year, and remove infected leaves as soon as you spot them. If early blight has already spread, act quickly. Prune and discard affected leaves, avoid working with wet plants, and improve airflow around the tomato plants. In severe cases, organic or approved fungicides may be necessary to slow the spread. For natural remedies, dilute 4 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide in half gallon of water and spray on the tomato plants. It destroys fungal spores on contact through oxidation. Hydrogen peroxide is a naturally occurring substance in plants. Because it breaks down rapidly into water and hydrogen, it must be applied frequently during an active outbreak. Drench the top and bottom sides of the leaves and stems of the tomato plants. Hydrogen peroxide requires sunlight to activate it, so spray the plants early in the morning. Never spray in direct, bright sunlight as the droplets act like magnifying glasses and cause severe leaf burn. Hydrogen peroxide is easily available over the counter in pharmacies. What I used here is a 3% concentration of hydrogen peroxide. Remember, early detection is the key. By checking your tomato plants often and taking action quickly, you can keep early blight under control and enjoy a healthy, productive tomato harvest. Happy gardening, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more gardening tips. Thank you for watching.